Hi! Sit tight. This is going to be a fun video. Lots of goodies. Lots of goodies. Hey everybody, it's Carol. Today I'm doing a collab with my friend Michelle from Cinnamon Girl Beauty. I have to ask her why she named her channel that, but I'm guessing she likes cinnamon. She is an absolute doll, and she has a makeup collection like you've never seen. She took us on a tour once, and I was so glad she had as many lipsticks as I do. She does great videos and shows great things, and she's very interesting. She also has a full-time job and children, and I really commend these women that are working full-time and doing this also, because this is not easy. Okay, so Michelle and I are going to do a great products that we've recently bought. Great products that we want to show you that are so cute that we have to do a video on it. So she's the perfect one to do it with because she's got some great products. She's my go-to gal for great products. So when you're done here, run over to Michelle's channel and see what she's got, because I'll be right behind you. This is my new watch by Apple. I got it for my birthday, and I have not taken it out of the box. Okay, so here's the plastic. This is as far as I've gotten. This is the weirdest thing. I get so excited when I go near it. I gotta put it down. I'm so excited. Okay, all right. As long as I know I have it, I'm excited. So I don't even have to wear it. I don't even have to use it. I just know I have it, and it just makes me excited. I've opened it, and I peeked, and it just makes me too excited to go any further. Ooh! Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I've ordered bezels, and I've ordered different straps, but I haven't taken this out of the box yet. I'll just keep it there. Oh, this is great. Let's see. Where we go? First, I'm going to show you some stuff I got from Shop Miss A. Whoa. Let me show you. I got these canvas pouches to put like my blow dryer in. They were $1. 1, 2. I have 3 here, and I think I've got another one too. You know, this is the website that has the beauty blenders that are absolutely terrific. Oh, and I'm wearing a vest that I got, I think, in Marshall's. And what's so nice about it, it's got like stretchy knit on the side. And then I'm wearing this t-shirt, which I got in Forever 21. And then I'm wearing my sleeves, because I knew I would be flapping away. But I love this, of course. I love this sparkle. It just adds a little pizzazz. Yeah, I got every loose powder they have. All right. This by far is the best powder. And during the course of the past few months, I have tested out a few in Sephora and Ulta. Kat Von D, Laura Mercier, and then Coty. I don't know how anyone can use that. That smell is like, maybe because it was my generation when everyone was using it. I can't go back to that. I can't go back to that. Even though it's cheap. No. I'll show you what these are. This is the brightening, and I put my stamp of approval on this. This is a peach, translucent, light reflecting, soft as silk powder. It is amazing. So I said, let me try the others. This is Soft Light, Banana, and this is Translucent. So there they are. And this is the brightening too. I can vouch for the top two, the brightening. I use it every day under my eyes with the wet beauty blender, and I can't wait to try these. This is amazing. These are $1 each. $1. I got this little Benefit erase case. I just got this off of eBay, and I thought it was a great one for my purse to put my pencils and my go-to makeup while I'm traveling or just on a daily basis. I thought it was cute. This comes with the erase that I showed you, the Boing Erase that used to be the Fake It. So I thought that was so cute. Now. Okay, I have to show you this. I have a few of the Real Techniques and then a few of these. They're just a little different, but I use these for everything. I use it for underneath the eye. I use it to put on primer. I use it to put on a white shadow after the primer. I also use it to put on color in my crease. It just goes so fast, and I use it to blend. And where else do I use it? That's basically it, but all over the eyes. I think this is a great, great brush. Now, look at this. This is Pink Lemonade by Wonder Slim. When I tell you this is amazing, it's a fruit drink concentrate. It's got 17 grams of protein per envelope. And it makes a good size jug. You mix it with water. I know it looks like an IV bag. It has a little aftertaste, but not enough to stop me from using it. I squeeze lemon, real lemons in it, in my drink, and I'm running out to do my errands, and I need to keep my sugar up. I'll put this in a to-go mug, and maybe a little lemon, and I'm good for a couple of hours with this. This is really good. Believe me, I got all the tips and tricks to raise your sugar because I am hypoglycemic, and every 3 hours I have to have something to put my sugar up because it drops. It's dropping all day. All day it drops. But when I used to work in Manhattan, it was rough because as my sugar was dropping, sometimes my boss needed me for something, and I needed to go run to the copy room, run to see the graphic artist, or, and I said, oh shoot, I have to eat. I have to eat. So I would always have snacks on me. Always have high energy snacks on me. And I wish I had this at that time too, because this would have been great for a working girl. 17 grams of protein in one drink. You keep sipping it and your strength stays up. I have a hot chocolate one. And of course I have the candy bars that have high protein, but I also have the hot chocolate, which is amazing. So I will put links down below for everything. All right, I got this Real Techniques Brush Crush. It's a different color than the original. The original was white and gray, and this is pink and purple. I think it's just so pretty. I just love makeup applicators. Look how cute it is. And when it's wet, it's all swollen. I mean, this shape is amazing. You've got 6 flat sides. One for contour, one for concealer. You can just keep going. And then you've got 6 rectangle shapes along the border. And then you've got a flat side. And then you've got a nice soft point. You can use this for a few makeup applications before you even wash it, because it's got so many sides. And if you stay on that same side when you're doing something, so you want to do the concealer and you just use that on both, you've got 5 more sides. It's a great shape, and I'm so glad they made it pink, because I bought the white one, but I only bought it once, and I said they should change the color. So, and they're all kind of different. They all have different marbling. I love that. Oh, I have something cute. I have something really cute to show you. Oh, when you see this next thing, you're going to say, oh my gosh, does this woman really need this? Yes. Okay, you'll see how cute it is. It's something that I would use every day. You're not going to believe what this is. All right, let's do what is this again, all right? What is this? All right, so your first, let me shine it for you. Your first guess is probably just a regular compact, right? What could it be? What could it be? So, what your first guess is what? It's a powder compact, right? Or a cushion compact, or a foundation compact, right? Or just a mirror compact. Well, I'll show you. Okay, you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so here we go. I open it up, and there's a mirror. Let's wipe that. Oh, that's squeaky. That's squeaky clean now. So here you have a compact, right? But watch this. Is that hysterical? Oh my goodness. Don't I have enough steamers, misters? Oh, it smells so good too. And it just feels refreshing. And how cool. So you can check your makeup and you can give yourself a little spritz. Oh, I love it. What you do is you put the water in. I'll show you where you put the water in. Put the water in this. There's a little hole over here. You pull down the rubber thing and you pour the water in there. I've been saving this to show you. It's got a little heart. And then you press it twice to turn it on. Twice to shut it. Look at that. Here's the USB charger. And there's the rubber gasket that you open up and you pour the water in there. Cute! Oh my god, this is so cute. And oh, I had it on. Woohoo! There you go. I should shut it when I'm closing it, right? Don't just keep it on. So now I want it on and I just go like that. I love my misters. And you know, when you wear glasses, it doesn't fog up your glasses. You could put it right up there. Because I bought these for my granddaughters. And one of them had glasses on. I says, go ahead, you could use it. It's not going to fog you up. Look at this. It doesn't fog you up. Oh, it's just wonderful. Wonderful. So look at that. I love this. It's elegant, it's classy, and it's compact and portable. You know, you could take it with you, you could travel with it, and I just love it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed everything, and I hope you run over to see my friend Michelle, Cinnamon Girl Beauty. And while you're there, you could hit the boop and the boop. Oh boy, would that be great. She would be happy. I would be happy. And most of all, you would be happy. So have a great, great week, and I'll see you next Saturday.